Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install IntelliJ IDEA on Windows operating system. And after that I am also going to show you how to use their community features for completely free. So for that, first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here IntelliJ IDEA, download, hit enter. Just simply click on download IntelliJ IDEA. That's going to redirect to the official site of JetBrains. Here for these cookies you can click on accept all, and depending upon what operating system you are using, Windows, Mac OS or Linux, you can proceed with that. For Windows I am going to switch to Windows and I am going to click on this download button. That's going to immediately start downloading our IntelliJ IDEA. You can see it is already started downloading. So now this IntelliJ IDEA is an integrated single product which has both community features and their professional features as well. I am going to show you how to use their community features for completely free. So you can see that our IntelliJ IDEA is already downloaded. Just simply click on that installer. You can minimize your browser. So it's rightly started opening. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. And there you go. Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA setup. Click on next. This is where our IntelliJ IDEA going to be installed. Totally fine. Click on next. Here I'll recommend you to select each and every option so that we can use their complete features properly. And this is the most important one, that is to check this add bin folder to path. That's a very important one. Don't forget to check that and click on next. And it's ready to be installed. Click on install and our installation is rightly begun. And there you go. You can see that our installation for IntelliJ IDEA is rightly completed. Our desktop shortcut is also created over here. So now let's run our IntelliJ IDEA. So first click on finish and then just double click on the shortcut to launch our IntelliJ IDEA. So here first it's going to show you would they like to share some data anonymously to them. That's going to only help to improve their product. So I'll send some data anonymously to them. That's totally fine for me. And after that it's going to ask you to provide permission to allow public and private network to access this app. So just click on allow and proceed. And here let's click on skip import and start afresh. And there you go. Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA. You can maximize this. So here let's see how you can create a Java project. So click on new project and here you need to provide your project name. So let's give the project name as Hello Java, and you can see it has already detected latest version of Java that I have installed on my previous videos. So you can see that our Java JDK 26 is rightly recognized over here. So similar way you need to install Java. If you haven't, then you can always click on this download Oracle Open JDK 26 and you can download your Java using this button as well. Since I have already Java installed, so you can see it is detected, so totally fine. Just going to click on create and that's going to start creating our project. You can maximize this. Here let's unlock their next level development with free AI. Just click on let's go. It's going to start initializing our project. It's going to take some time. Let's wait for some time over here. And there you go. You can see that it has rightly launched. And currently we are already into their ultimate subscriptions. So there's about 30 days left. So for 30 days we can completely use their pro features for completely free. If you are a student, then you can always apply for their free educational license. And the same is also available for the teachers as well. Right. So you can close this trial for the time being, this note. And you can already see our Hello World Java project is created and main.java file is also rightly opened along with the demo code they have already given. So if you click on this run button, it's going to start building our project and going to show you the output. So you can see the output over here. Now let's see, after 30 days you want to use their only community features. So how you do that? So for that you need to go to this magnify icon and just type manage. So that will give you this manage subscription over here. You click on that and here you can see that our license will be valid till 9th of May 2026. So today is 10th, so about 30 days from today you can use it for completely free. If you want to terminate that trial, you can do that easily. So you just need to go to this manage subscription and you need to click on this deactivate subscription and then you need to click on this deactivate and restart. So that's going to start to restart our IntelliJ IDEA and going to launch it again. And this time you can see it is no longer showing trial. Instead it is showing start free trial and you can use their community features for completely free. So like for this project, if you click on this run button, you can see it going to again start building and going to show you the output, and you can fully use their community features for completely free. So you can see the output coming over here. Remember, this time using the you can see the output over here, right? So in my next video, I'm going to talk about JetBrains AI. So that's basically all about this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Geeky Script and also join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more the similar kind of videos. And I have already posted a lot of videos on Python, so you can also check all these different videos on our channel. All these projects are completely free, and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So do check all these different videos. I'm sure you are going to love them. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.